Another safety reminder: during this time, you might be more at risk for carbon monoxide poisoning. This is really important here. From fireplaces to furnaces, portable generators, all those things. The fumes can not only make you sick, but it can kill you. And that is, of course, super serious. Signs of carbon monoxide poisoning mimic cold and flu-like symptoms, but some of the other common symptoms are confusion and vomiting. So to protect yourself, you can get a carbon monoxide detector. And if you feel sick, get outside, get away from the risk. Getting fresh air really is critical.